Look familiar? Does your bathroom look like it hasn't been touched since the 80s? BathSafe Solutions is here to save the day with our new bathroom refresh service. Our children and pets reminding you that your bathroom looks scary. Tired of staring at that ancient stained toilet, wondering if it belongs in a museum? Have mysterious smells and wall damage from previous leaks turned your bathroom into a place of mystery? Does the lighting remind you of a cave that you could get lost in? With our bathroom refresh service, we'll pinpoint the necessary items. That will make your bathroom look truly clean and smelling remodel fresh. Our team of experts will handle all the dirty work. Literally. Wall repairs? Done. Toilet replacement if needed? Easy. Bathtub refinishing? Or deep cleaning? No problem. Updating fixtures? Our pleasure. Say goodbye to the decades of grime, build-up, and hello to a fresh, clean bathroom. All without breaking the bank. We offer payments so you can relax and stay in budget. You deserve a clean and safe bathroom. Visit BathSafeSolutions.com to learn more about our easy process and set up a refresh consultation today.